Hey everybody, hope you're good. If you're new here, my name is Abby, and if you're not new, thank you so much for coming back to watch one of my videos. So I wanted to do another quick video around my eyelashes. I do like testing like mascaras and things like that because they're just, you know, they're everyday products that people want to know whether or not they work. And I wanted to do a kind of long awaited part 2 to a video I did a while back. When I say a while back, I mean like way back. So I did a video testing the Essence Lash Princess mascara. I feel like I say mascara. So, and that video did pretty well. I've done other testing mascara videos after that, but I actually thought I would do something similar. So basically I wanted to try a primer, the same primer that I use, which is the Essence primer, and I wanted to use that with another mascara that I love now. So when I did do that other video, I'll link it in the cards. What I did find out with trying the primer with the Lash Princess mascara was that the mascara was too thick for the primer, and I thought it would be better to use a more a less thick mascara formula. So that's what I'm going to do today. So I have my Maybelline Falsies Lashlift Mascara, and I have my Essence Volume Boost Lash Primer. So this is another new tube, and this is the one I've been using for a while. And this is what they look like. So what I'm going to do is apply the primer to one part of my eye. So I'll do it on this part, just so we can see what it looks like. Okay, so this is what my lashes look like. And I don't believe this primer dried down the last time I used it, so I'm just going to go straight in with my Maybelline False Lift Mascara on top. And the reason I chose this mascara was because it isn't too thick. It's quite a wispy. The wand makes my lashes look quite wispy, and it also adds a bit of volume without being too clumpy. So I thought the result might be better. Okay, so this is what my lashes look like after, and this is what my lashes look like before. So I'm gonna have to go in with another coat because I feel like I can see the white of the primer. Okay. I'm gonna apply the primer to my lower lash line as well. And I'm trying not to apply too much. Okay, I feel like I have the same dilemma I did the last time. So I don't like my lashes looking like this. I really don't. It just looks like I've piled on a ton of mascara, and I was hoping, because this mascara is quite nice, it gives me like fluffy lashes, and it adds a bit of volume, and it separates and it lifts and it does all that yada yada yada. I expected it to not look clumpy, but this looks okay. These birds outside my window. This looks better than the Lash Princess mascara. This combination is better. So I do stand by what I said before, which is that you do need a thinner formula. So maybe I will go through my mascara collection, and I'll come back and do another video with like the thinnest mascara that I have, like in terms of like formula. I think that's what you need with this, because this to some people will probably look great. I had some comments on that video where people said, actually, I don't think your eyelashes look spidery. But this is what I mean when I mean spidery. I mean, this has added a lot of volume, don't get me wrong. And my lashes look better, well not better, they look more prominent and they look like they're actually there. But this just looks like a lot of mascara to me. Like in real life, I don't want the first thing people to see is my mascara. I want them to actually see my lashes, which is why I love a lash like that, a mascara that coats my lashes. But anywho, so this is what we're here. This is what we look like right now. I'm going to do this other eye off camera. I'll do exactly the same thing and I'll come back. But like I said, it's going to be a very short video. It's just me applying this mascara with this primer just to see if I get a better result than I did the last time. I'll be right back. Okay, so I've done my second eye and this is where we are. So I stand by my initial thoughts. I think this is definitely better than the Lash Princess, but it's not as wispy as I thought it was going to be. Okay, so that wraps up this video. So if you wanted to know what this combination looks like, this is what it looks like. Yeah, this is a mascara that I really like because it lasts all day, and like I said, it gives you volume, it gives you lift, it gives you separation, which is everything I want, and it also gives you length as well. So it's a really good mascara. It is like my favorite mascara from the drugstore from what I've tried so far. And yeah, so this primer, I think, I don't know, I might try one more time again with like a different formula. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. But I think the worst thing about this primer is the fact that it's white. If I can get a black mascara primer, I think that would be a really good one. So if you know of a good one, please do leave a comment down below, let me know. If you like this video, this very short video, please do give it a massive thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't already, if you got any value from this. And yeah, just leave a comment down below, say hey, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay blessed, have a good morning, evening, or night wherever you are, and yeah, I'll catch you later. Bye.